Silence. Silence, I say. We are getting started. For today's assignment, assignment number 3, you are going to be completing 2D. Now, I apologize because we are switching it up just a bit to make sure that everyone, one, knows how to complete the work, and two, what they're supposed to be doing for each day. So I've been developing during this iterative process, trying to make sure that we get clearer and clearer with each day. So here I've laid out 5 different steps for you to complete today's work. And then at the bottom I have these levels of completion. Basically everyone should be able to watch the Edpuzzle video. It's going to be attached at the bottom. I'm going to replace this one right here with 2D. And then everyone should be able to at least work on section 2D. Copy and paste what you have into this individual document right here. I know going back and forth to the Monday document is kind of confusing, and so we'll be copying and pasting from this one later on, but for today, just put your responses here, and then you'll submit that in the end. For the 4th step, I have it so that we are including in-text citations. I have an example of that I'm going to go over for you all, and then finally, we're going to review our work, and then we are going to submit it. Again, everyone should be able to copy and paste what they have so far into this document. If you want to take it to that next level, please work on your structure, your spelling, your grammar, and punctuation, and of course, make sure you are citing your work. All right, first step, Edpuzzle. Again, I will be linking an Edpuzzle video every single day. These are important for you to know exactly what to do. I've been looking at people's progress so far. One, no one has gotten a 100 on any of the assignments. Kind of bizarre to me since you can take it as many times as you want. But more shocking is that so many people are not working on it. Please make sure you're completing these videos. This is part of your grade. I am checking these every day. I am grading these and putting these in. So if you think this is not being graded, you are mistaken. The second thing, you're going to be working on rows 6. So let's take a look at the rubric here. It says for 2D, row 6, this is one of the 2 points for 2D. You have to identify the data that the identified or describing computer innovation uses and explain how the data is consumed, produced, or transformed. I'm going to take a look at my response here. Notice how I highlighted each one of these bullet points that corresponds to the highlighted colors down here. So the data that my innovation uses is here for row 6, as well as the data that it consumes and produces is on this second one here. For part 3, or number 3, row 7, you need to identify one data storage, data privacy, or data security concern, and I have done that again right here in this 3rd paragraph. Let me bold that. That's all right. Thanks. Finally, I do want to show that I added an in-text citation. For that in-text citation, it is located right here, number 1, and then I made a little 2A section here so you can see how I would actually include that citation in my section 2E. For part 5, number 5, we will be reviewing our work and submitting it. So, let's say you are done typing for 2D. If I wanted to review my work, I would highlight my section, go to Tools, Spelling and Grammar, then check your spelling and grammar. Since I've done it before, I don't have any mistakes. Make sure that you do not have any as well. You're also going to want to count how many words you have. I have 134 words right here. That's fine. Remember, you want to have at least 50% of the maximum words that you're allowed to use for that section. And now I'm going to check to see if my work has been plagiarized. I'm really hoping that it has not. So I'm going to paste in what I have here. Remember, you can go to easybib.com in order to get a free in-text citation or to check to see if your work has been plagiarized. When you are turning in and completing your work, you are going to be completing Explore Task Response D. It makes a copy for you so you don't have to add anything. You're going to just put your work right in there. It looks like this. You're going to be typing in this section, and if you scroll towards the bottom, I included a screenshot of my example if you'd like to follow along with that as you work. You're going to just turn this in, and that's going to be it. And finally, the last thing I'll say is that you should be completing your daily participation challenges. Again, it's really easy to pass my class as long as you're participating. This is how you stay in the game. You don't need to know everything about computer science. I just need you to participate and give your effort every single day. This is the last thing I'll say. And good luck.